सिविलाइजेशन में नमो ड्रोन दीदी का आपसी कोई तालमेल है ही नहीं, यह केवल एक जुमले के रूप में रह गया है। इसका जवाब देंगे मंत्री जी?
Sir, the Namo Drone Didi program is a flagship program which was envisioned by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for financial inclusion and especially the empowerment of women. And I am very happy to share that this has really improved the earning of the women, in which we have done this thing also, sir. And regarding which ministry does it come under? This is the parent department is Department of Fertilizer, which is dealing with this drones distribution, sir. The scheme actually comes under the Department of Fertilizers, which is trying to give the 80% subsidy to the women self-help groups. And the whole number of drones that need to be distributed is up to 15,000 drones. And we have done up to 500. And why we are trying to see how the remaining 14,500 will be done is through indigenization. We want to promote more indigenization of drones. So this is a collective effort. Ministry of Civil Aviation, Ministry of Agriculture, Department of Fertilizer. Collectively we want to see and promote the utilization of drones in agriculture, because we see a direct impact, especially in the earnings that the usage of drones can give to the owner of the drone, and also the impact it can have in the agricultural production and the reduction of the fertilizer or pesticides that get used in agriculture, sir. And the figure of distributing these send drones, this has come up in a discussion between these ministries when we were trying to promote, to look at the potential itself. What would be the potential? We have come up with the aspirational figure that we can have at least 10 drones per village. And initially through the Namo Drone Didi program, we are doing 15,000 drones. Distribution 500 have been done. And in the remaining time period, stipulated time for the Drone Didi in those 3 years, we are going to see that the remaining 14,500 drones are also going to be distributed.